Hi. Lots of people I teach have recently moved into their own homes for the first time. It's very exciting, but it can also be really daunting. Suddenly, they're in charge of everything. So where you might have relied on a landlord before, it's all down to you. Who's responsible for the dripping tap? Where even is the stop tap? What is a stop tap? Why on earth do the sockets keep tripping? How do I drill into my walls? That's what I created new home survival courses for. They're practical, friendly, hands-on. They demystify all that stuff so you can feel comfortable in your new home and actually enjoy it. There are 2 half-day courses. You can do just one if you like, or both on the same day and get £20 off. And you'll get simple guides at the end of the course to take home and free follow-up support afterwards by email, WhatsApp, phone, whatever. When you get stuck, just get in touch. So take a look at the videos and see what each course covers. Come and join us.